Dear Anne-Marie Delmotte, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for the Bioenergy Level 2 training with the Lecher antenna that I followed with you in June 23. I am very satisfied with the experience and have learned a lot during the course. One of the things I noticed was the quality of the explanations you gave. It is clear that you have an in-depth knowledge of the subject and you knew how to convey this in an understandable and accessible way. This made it easy for me as a student to understand and follow the course material. What I also really appreciated was the opportunity to practice and ask questions during the course. You created a learning environment in which everyone felt free to ask questions and actively participate in the practical exercises. This gave me the opportunity as a student to really dive deeper into the subject and develop my skills. What also struck me was your involvement with the students. You made sure everyone was seen and heard, and you were open to any questions we had about the topic. This personal approach made me feel comfortable and that I felt that I could always turn to you for help and advice. All in all, I would like to recommend the Bioenergy Level 2 training with the Lecher antenna to others. It was a valuable experience and I am already looking forward to the next level, Level 3. Thank you very much for your efforts and the inspiring lessons. Kimberly Lehlman, Chiropractic.